All right, one more update for tonight. We've got some of those stones put up. We'll wash them off so they look like those down there later. But that's going to be our surface. We've got this enormous amount of cob here drying. We got a little fire going inside to keep it warm and let it all dry out. We got that steam coming off of here. We put about 1,500 pounds of cob on the top of this oven today. 1,500 pounds of wet cob over our little form inside of there. And it's drying. We're gonna tarp it in a minute so that it hopefully dries more but doesn't get rained on. And we're then gonna come and finish these burners tomorrow as well. So stay tuned for more. UncleMud.com